Hi guys, I was just gonna do a quick video to show you some of my little tricks with Young Living oils. I like to buy the roller balls that Young Living sells, which they're like, I think it's like $5 or $10, but they actually say Young Living on them. I don't know if you can see that, but it's really cute. And they come with a taller lid. You get like a pack of 10. So I just wanted to share with you my favorite oils to transfer the rollerball top on them, because they don't come with a rollerball on the top. Some of them do, but it's actually a little cheaper to just buy like the Stress Away in the 15 milliliter size than it is to buy it in the rollerball size. And you get a little bit more. I think the rollerball that Young Living sells is 10 milliliter, and this one is 15. So I put the rollerball on it myself. So this is my favorite oil, one of my favorites, Stress Away. And this one, I put the top on, so that makes it just so easy to apply, and you can carry it with you. And you know, it's just really great to have the rollerball top. Another one that I did this with is the Shutran. This is one that, it's in the men's line. My husband loves it. I actually use this on him for like cologne, but I love it. It smells so good. So it's really nice to have the roller ball. And then Progessence Plus. This is for women for hormonal support. And I use this twice a day. So I just figured, why not put the roller ball on the top? That way I can, what I do is I just like rub it on my abdomen in the morning after I take my shower, and then at night before bed. So I just wanted to share that with you. And then also, if you don't want to just put the roller ball on the tops, you can buy these at the store. I think Amazon has them, but also you can get them. I got these at Fresh Time, and they come empty. But you can do your own blends really easily by using a carrier oil like jojoba, which is really nice. And then you can make up your own rollerball blend. I've got a couple really nice ones, like one for headaches, and I got some that I just blended together that just like, I just call them like my happy smell. So anyway, I just wanted to share that. It's just a quick little tip, and I was just wanting to share it. So if you guys liked it, thumbs up, and I hope everyone's having a great day. Thank you so much.